Watch AI create a sales opportunity pipeline dashboard from scratch. This is what we're building, a complete analytics solution. This is the data we're working with, sales opportunities with stages, values, and regional data. Let's create it live. We start by importing our Excel file into Bricks. The data uploads instantly and we're ready to build. With one click on Create Dashboard, Bricks AI analyzes our sales data, identifying key metrics and relationships. The AI generates 6 dynamic charts showing pipeline value by stage, opportunities over time, lead source analysis, value versus probability correlation, regional performance with win rates, and industry breakdowns, plus 2 summary tables for stage analysis and top opportunities. Our sales opportunity pipeline dashboard is complete with comprehensive visualizations automatically created from our data. We can instantly customize the appearance by switching themes for different visual styles. Now let's enter presentation mode for executive reviews and client meetings. The clean, distraction-free interface highlights key insights with professional formatting, perfect for boardroom presentations and stakeholder updates. Exiting presentation mode returns us to the interactive dashboard where we can drill down into specific data points and explore detailed insights. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.